Everyone wants results, but very few want structure. Discipline is the bridge between knowing and doing. This is part 2 of the 5 pillars of self development, and today we build execution. Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. Motivation is unreliable. It feels good, it sounds powerful, it gives you that temporary fire, but it doesn't last. You feel motivated on Monday, but Thursday you are tired. By Sunday you are making excuses. That's why motivation cannot be foundation of your life, but discipline must be. Motivation is emotional while discipline is structural. Motivation says, I feel like doing it, while discipline says, I do it whether I feel like it or not. And the difference between average and exceptional people, it's not talent, it's not luck, it's only consistency. And consistency is built on discipline. And discipline means showing up when you don't feel like it, like going to the gym when you are tired, studying when you are bored, or working on your goals when no one is watching, waking up early when your bed feels too comfortable. That is discipline, and it matters. Most people wait to feel inspired, while disciplined people act first and let action create inspiration. Here is the truth: you will not feel motivated every day, you will not always feel confident, you will not always feel ready, but your future doesn't care how you feel. Results respond to action, not emotion. When you rely on motivation, you are controlled by your mood. When you build discipline, you control your behavior regardless of your mood. And that's power. That discipline is what turns goals into habits, and habits turns into lifestyle, and that lifestyle creates long-term success. So, think about it. Anyone can start, but only few people continue. Anyone can be excited at the beginning, but few people stay committed when it gets repetitive. When it gets boring, when nobody is clapping for them. That middle phase, that is where discipline separates people. And understand this clearly. Discipline is not punishment, it's self respect. It's telling yourself, my goals matter, my future matters, and I matter. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, your confidence grows. Every time you break a promise to yourself, your self trust weakens. So, discipline builds self trust, and self trust builds unstoppable confidence. So, now here is something practical: that discipline doesn't mean being extreme, it means being consistent. Even a small action, but keep it repetitive every single day. You don't have to do everything, you just have to do something every single day, even if they are small actions, but repeat it daily without negotiation. That's how transformation happens. And successful people don't rely on mood, they rely on systems. So, how do you build discipline? Let me tell you, first, start small. Not 2 hours of workout. Start with 15 minutes. Build the habit before you increase the intensity. Secondly, reduce decision fatigue. Fixed wake up time, fixed workout time, fixed reading time. When decisions are automated, discipline becomes easier. The third, track your habits. What gets measured gets improved. Measure your habits. And remember this: consistency beats intensity every single time. If you improve just 1% every day in 1 year, you are 37 times better. Think about that. Motivation might get you started, but discipline keeps you moving. So stop asking yourself, do I feel like it? Instead, start asking, is this aligned with the person I want to become? Because the version of you that succeeds doesn't wait for motivation. That version shows up anyway. Build discipline, protect your standards, keep your promises to yourself, because self development isn't about how inspired you feel, it's about how committed you are when the inspiration fades. Discipline creates momentum, but momentum without direction can be wasted. In part 3, we are talking about skill development because growth requires competence. So stay tuned with us and we will see in part 3. Till that, please like, subscribe, and share my channel and rise beyond with MSK.